Now today question number 7 we will do. And the question I am reading from the book. You can see in your book the question. Rima is a 4 feet tall and weight 47 kilogram. Means weight of Rima is equal to 47 kilogram. Neha is 4 feet tall, same, and weight 39,000 gram. And weight of Neha. So weight of Neha is 39,000 gram. Okay. So the question is, who is heavier and by how much? कौन भारी है और कितनी ज्यादा? मीन्स किसका वजन ज्यादा है और कितना ज्यादा है? Okay. So we have to compare this weight, but you know that unit is different. Here is kilogram and here is gram. So either convert kilogram into gram or gram into kilogram. This is bigger unit, this is smaller unit. Okay. So if we convert the smaller unit by bigger into bigger unit, then we do divide, and from bigger to smaller we do multiply. So I will convert this 39,000 gram into kilogram, and we know that when we convert the gram into kilogram, means from smaller to bigger units, then we do divide. Then we do divide by 1000, because in 1 kilogram how many gram? 1000. So we will divide 39,000 gram by 1000. So it will convert into kilogram. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. So 39 kilogram. Okay. So can you tell me which is the more? Clearly 47 kilogram is greater than 39 kilogram. And what is the difference in the weight? Difference you can find by the subtraction. So difference is 47 minus 39. So that means 8 kilogram. So what is the difference of both persons? Difference of 8 kilogram. Understood everybody? So this was the question, and now another question. Question number 8. Question number 8. It tells, in order to make a shape, make a shirt. अगर एक शर्ट बनानी हो, a length of 2 meter 20 centimeter cloth is needed. ठीक है? So question number it is 8. Required cloth for making one shirt. एक शर्ट बनाने के लिए कितना कपड़ा चाहिए हमें? We require 2 meter 20 centimeter cloth. 2 meter 20 centimeter cloth. Okay. So how much length of the cloth will be required for 21 such shirts? तो ऐसी 21 शर्ट बनाने के लिए हमें कितने कपड़े की जरूरत पड़ेगी? एक शर्ट बनाने के लिए कितने कपड़े की जरूरत है? तो 21 शर्ट बनाने के लिए कितने की? For more what we will have to do? Multiply, है ना? So required cloth. This is because sign Okay, because required cloth for for making one shirt is equal to this. Therefore, required cloth for making how many shirts? 21 shirts is equal to 2 meter 20 centimeter multiplied by 21. Okay, so now we can multiply. This is meter, this is centimeter. So 2 meter 20 centimeter multiplied by 21. 21 zeros are 0. 21 to ja 42, carry 4. 21 to ja 42. 42 and 4 46. So answer is 46 meter and 20 centimeter. This much cloth is required for making how many shirts? 21 shirts. Understood everybody? So this type we can find the answer. Now next question. Question number 9. A man bought a bucket whose capacity was 50 liter. एक आदमी ने एक बकेट मीन्स बाल्टी खरीदी, उसका कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 50 लीटर. सो टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ bucket is equals to 50 liter. Okay, liquid thing always be measured in liter. Okay, he poured 10 liter of water. Okay, so water is how much? 10 liter and 30 liter of lime juice. Lime juice 13 liter and 23 liter of sugar solution. Sugar solution is 23 liter. Now question is what capacity of bucket had he used up? तो उसने बकेट की कितनी कैपेसिटी यूज कर ली? ओके, मतलब एक बकेट में कितना लीटर लिक्विड आ सकता है? 50 लीटर. उसमें से उसने कितना यूज कर लिया? ये यूज कर लिया. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटी ही हैज यूज्ड अप? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. So how can we find? Yes, absolutely correct. First we will add all these capacity and then after we will subtract it from this. Okay, so remaining capacity we can find like this, but in question what he is asking, what capacity of bucket had he used up? उसने कितनी यूज कर ली? टोटल कैपेसिटी यूज्ड अप बाय हिम कितनी? 10 लीटर प्लस 13 लीटर प्लस 23 लीटर. So that means 10 plus 13, 23, 23 and 23, 46 liter capacity he has used. Okay, so if we want to find the remaining capacity of bucket, so what would be the answer? Remaining capacity. So remaining capacity is 50 liter minus 46 liter, that is equals to 4 liter. Understood everybody? Now next question. Although it is not asking about remaining liter remaining capacity, but we have found. Okay, but answer is your 46 liters. That capacity he has used. Okay. Now next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is the weight of medicine is 25 milligram. Weight of medicine is 25 milligram. Okay. Find the weight of box containing 20,000 such medicines in gram. तो उस बॉक्स का वेट निकालो जिसके अंदर ऐसे 20,000 मेडिसिन है. तो वेट ऑफ वन मेडिसिन इज दिस. So therefore weight of how many medicine? Weight of 20,000 medicine would be more or less. More, one medicine weight is this, so 20,000 medicine weight would be more. So we have to multiply 20,000 by 25. So 25 to the 50 and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 milligram. Okay, so this is the answer in milligram. But what they are asking, find the weight in grams. Okay, so we know that 1000 milligram is equals to 1 gram. So 50. So therefore 1 milligram is equals to 1 upon 1000 gram. Therefore 5 lakh milligram is equals to 1 upon 1000 multiply by 5 lakh. So 10 to 10, 10 to 10 and 10 to 10 means 500 ग्राम. ओके, तो ये हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया इसको किसमें? ग्राम में. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द वेट ऑफ बॉक्स इन किलोग्राम ऑल्सो. अब हमें इसे किलोग्राम में भी कन्वर्ट करना है. तो वी नो दैट 1000 ग्राम is equals to 1 kilogram. Therefore 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Therefore how many grams? 500 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 into 500. That means 5 upon 10. That means 0.5 kilogram. 0.5 kilogram. Understood everybody? Medicine of one weight of one medicine is given 25 milligram. So we have found the 20,000 medicine in milligram. Then after we have converted milligram into gram. So divide by 1000 you can do. So 0 to 0 cancel. So 500 gram has come. Now 500 gram also we have to convert into kilogram. So we can divide it by 1000. So our answer has come 0.5 kilogram. So I hope today you understood nicely all these word problem questions related to these integers. Okay, so I hope you understood nicely. Also remaining questions, try to solve these kind of questions in examples also it has been given, and make yourself also question and do these kind of questions. Okay, thank you.